Hello there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, the channel where we delve into the depths of self-discovery and growth. Today, we're going to explore a powerful tool for cultivating self-compassion through inner voice work. Let's face it, we all have that inner critic, that little voice inside our heads that can be harsh, judgmental, and downright unkind. But here's the thing, that voice doesn't define you. You are not your thoughts. You are so much more. And that's where inner voice work comes in. Inner voice work is all about recognizing, challenging, and transforming that critical inner voice into one that nurtures, supports, and loves you unconditionally. It's about cultivating self-compassion, the practice of treating ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer to a dear friend. Practicing self-compassion can be transformative, but it's not always easy. So, let me share some practical steps to help you get started on this beautiful journey. Step 1. Awareness. The first step is becoming aware of that inner critic. Pay attention to the negative self-talk. The moments when you doubt yourself, criticize your actions, or feel inadequate. Journal about these experiences to gain insights into the patterns and triggers of your inner voice. Step 2. Externalization. Now, let's externalize that inner critic. Give it a name, like Mr. Nitpicker or Ms. Self-Doubt. By personifying this critical voice, you create some distance from it. This makes it easier to recognize when it's speaking and when it's time to challenge it. Remember, you are not your inner critic. You are the observer of that critic, and you have the power to change its narrative. Step 3. Question and challenge. Next, when you notice that inner critic rearing its head, question its validity. Challenge those negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? Would I say this to a friend? For instance, if you make a mistake at work and your inner critic starts berating you, pause and say, everyone makes mistakes. This is an opportunity to learn and grow. Step 4. Cultivate your inner nurturer. As you challenge your inner critic, start cultivating your inner nurturer. The voice that offers kindness, support, and encouragement. Speak to yourself as you would to a beloved friend, with warmth and understanding. Imagine this inner nurturer holding your hand during tough times, telling you, you're doing your best, and that's enough. Be patient with yourself. This transformation takes time. But every step you take towards self-compassion is a step towards a more fulfilling, loving relationship with yourself. Remember, dear friends, self-compassion is not self-indulgence. It's a powerful tool for growth and resilience. Embrace the practice of inner voice work, and watch as it transforms your life in beautiful and unexpected ways. That's it for today's PepTalk SelfTalk. Thank you for spending these precious moments with me. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself, embrace your journey, and always keep nurturing that beautiful soul within. Take care and lots of love.